To get fit, focus on eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly. First, limit the amount of processed foods in your diet, like chips, cookies, and white bread, since they can cause weight gain. Replace those foods with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and low-fat dairy. That way, you'll get all the nutrients you need without empty calories. Make sure to plan healthy meals for the week in advance and get rid of unhealthy foods in your kitchen. Additionally, get at least 150 minutes of aerobic exercise every week, like running, cycling, or swimming. Aerobic exercise is great for your heart and it burns calories. Include 2 days of strength training in your weekly routine too, since that's how you build muscle and tone your body. Squats, push-ups, and crunches are all strength training exercises you can do at home without any equipment.